Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. As you can see, today we are in Switzerland, in Zurich, with the Mercedes AMG GLE 53 Coupe 4MATIC Plus. And in today's video I will show you the complete exterior interior. We will take it for a drive here in the mountains, in the snow, and I will show you every characteristic. So let's first start here in the front. Because this spec of this specific GLE 53 Coupe is one of my favorite. It has the obsidian black exterior color and the nice package. So the bumpers are all blacked out in the body color. It has the beautiful Panamericana grille with the 14 vertical slats, the AMG emblem and a large Mercedes star in the center, which is double because it has an additional chrome circle around it. It really looks larger in this way. Furthermore, it has the new Multibeam LED light system, with two lines indicating that this is part of the E Class family, the GLE. And it is such a prominent front, very elegant and aggressive at the same time, especially due to this black on black design. And just look at the hood, it is immense. It comes almost at the height of my hip, and you can see these muscular lines on the hood, which is beautiful if you look at it from the side. Very broad wheel archers, and it has the winter tires with 21-inch rims. The size is 275/45, but these specific rims are not part of the night package. And if you look at the contrast of this black large coupe SUV and the snow on the background, it is funny to consider that I didn't expect any snow this time of the year in Switzerland. Kind of strange, but here we are, very cold. But if you look at the side, how it moves with the coupe line, it is beautiful with the blacked out contours around the window. Part of the night package, as I mentioned. It has broad shoulders and the wheel archers. And the wheel archers are actually in the same body color, blacked out. In the GLC you would see a more robust plastic cover. And this is beautiful. So let's move over into the rear, where you can see this gorgeous coupe line, blacked out windows, and these new tail lights with pointy edges. These are actually very horizontal, and it has a lovely blacked out exhaust tips, which are around 9 cm in width, double exhaust tips on both sides. And they sound amazing because this car is equipped with the AMG performance exhaust system. So it has the exhaust button, and it sounds amazing with a lot of pops and crackles while driving. So before we take it for a drive, make sure you follow me on Instagram, the link is down below, and I have amazing content special for you about all new Mercedes-Benz vehicles. So let's have a look at what is in the trunk. You can press the Mercedes star and it will open automatically alongside the beautiful coupe line. And here you can see it has a lot of space, also an additional cover that you can flip. And it has a little bit less space compared to the SUV, around 50 liters, but the total capacity is 550 liters. So let's close it and we will have a look inside. As you can see, it is snowing a little bit and I want to enjoy the heated seats here in the rear. Let's go. A fairly easy entrance because it is a high vehicle, and let's close the door. Soft closing doors, of course, and it has, as I mentioned, the heated seats in the rear. And this is all an option, of course, with a gorgeous wooden trim, Burmester surround sound system and the ambient lighting. And here you can see the panoramic roof in one part, and for the SUV you will have two parts. I have enough legroom, around 25 centimeters, and the headspace is also very decent. I'm not touching the roof, just slightly with my hair. And there's enough space for a third person in the back seats. And the center tunnel is also very low, so you can easily move your feet beneath. It has the thermomatic air vents, so you can control the air vents here in the rear, and also the temperature. Some additional cup holders, and you can also access the trunk via the center part. So now let's focus on the front, because this is a gorgeous new design. Amazing. Let's close the door. Soft closing doors, of course, with beautiful leather stitching all around the interior. As you can see, this cabin almost hugs you, because this is the Coupé, and this panel, this A-pillar, is also very close to your face. Really a sportive feeling. And I love this new AMG steering wheel with a flat bottom, AMG emblem and vertical lines. So before we take it for a drive, let's have a look at what is under the bonnet. So this is a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine tuned by AMG. It has a beautiful AMG cover with a red line, and it produces over 437 horsepower with more than 600 Nm of torque, from 0 to 100 km an hour in just 5 seconds, and the top speed is well above 250 km an hour. So let's close it and we'll take it for a drive. So guys, let's take the GLE Coupé for a drive. Let's press the button for the electronics to work, and let's buckle up. I will hit downshift and press the button to start. And then there's a better exhaust sound. Let's put it into drive and let's go. Because we will leave from this mountain area with a lot of snow, and currently we are with an altitude of 1400 meters. Going downhill, and this is the 53 AMG, so it has the dynamic select shifter on the steering wheel. You can switch it to sport mode or sport plus, and then the exhaust valves open. Amazing pops and crackles, and just a gorgeous view here. Very narrow roads, so you have to be careful for cars approaching. The GLE Coupé is also 6 cm shorter in wheelbase compared to the SUV, and in this way it is easier cornering and it is way more agile. very consistent with the pops and bangs. And check out the view over here. And now let's put it back into the comfort mode as we are driving in a neighborhood. And then you can sense a very comfortable SUV. Mercedes has put a lot of effort in changing the difference between the Comfort and Sport Plus. Now it is really like a daily cruiser. And as soon as you switch it to Sport Plus, you will notice a whole different car. But of course, in the comfort mode, you can also enjoy the exhaust sound, because it has the exhaust button set to powerful at the moment. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked this video with the GLE Coupe 53 AMG, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.